Okay, I'm going to make a video about an acid-base mnemonic that I just learned, and I found it really helpful, so just wanted to reiterate this for my own understanding and then maybe to help some other people too. So first we start with MD. The M stands for metabolic, and then the D stands for direct. So we're just going to make a table first that has pH, CO2, pH, CO2, pH. And then the first two, we're going to make them acidosis, alkalosis, acidosis, and then alkalosis. So you have to remember to put the carbon dioxide as the thing in your table. And then what I'm going to do now is just draw the arrows that we would see. So if we see acidosis, we know that we're going to have a low pH, and then in alkalosis, we're going to have a high pH. In this case, we're going to start with the metabolic, since that's what we started with here. It's going to be directly related. And so the CO2 is going to have the same arrow as the pH. So see, it's directly related. And then these are both going to be metabolic for that reason. So the arrows are the same, and so it's metabolic. And then for the other two conditions, the pH and CO2 are going to be opposite. So the pH here, if it's acidosis, it's going to be low, and the pH in alkalosis is going to be high. And then because we're now going to be talking about respiratory, it's going to be opposite. So let me just write that, respiratory equals reverse. And you see how the first two letters, they start the same. So it's going to be the opposite. So CO2 is going to be increased, and then CO2 here is going to be decreased. And then we know that these are both going to be respiratory. Another thing to add is just that if we wanted to solidify the metabolic being direct, we can say that it's going to be the same, and that's equal to metabolic. So that also has two similar letters between the two, and that's it.